second video. In first video, I gave introduction about the entire chapter of motionless straight line. So now we are starting problems here. This is the part 2 and we are doing problems on uniform motion. As I told you before, there are three parts: uniform motion, uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Now we are dealing with first one. This is uniform motion. What does it mean? Uniform motion means velocity equal to constant, v is equal to constant, that is the particles are moving with constant velocity. In this case, how to solve problem here? Let us check. A particle moves in a straight line for the first 1/4 distance with some speed v0, the next half of distance with speed 2v0, and the last 1/4 distance with speed 3v0. Find average speed. So as I told you, what you have to do, we should always take given quantities. What are given quantities here? Given quantity is v0. So next, what we have to find? To find v average equal to how much? So what do you know here? Let us, next step is, let us draw the diagram. How many parts of journey are there? 3 parts of journey are there. So let us make the journey into 3 parts. This is A, B, this is C, and this is D. So what is the information given here? First velocity is v0, second velocity is 2v0, third part journey velocity is 3v0. So here fractions are given in terms of distances. First 1/4 distance, half distance, last 1/4 distance. So take S as total distance. Let us assume. So S is assumed quantity here. So this is S by, first one is S by 4, second one is next half, no, S by 2, this was S by 4. So S symbol is assumed quantity here, so we should not get that one in answer. And what about this next one? Time is there. What is total time? Any time is there here. Time is also not given to us. We have to assume time. Let it be t1, t2 and t3. We know that v equal to, or v average, v bar equal to S total by t total. From where did we get this one? This is v equal to S by t, average velocity equal to total displacement by total time. I told you, for uniform bodies moving with uniform motion, the only equation is this one, v equal to S by t. So you can use this one. So v bar equal to, what is S total here? Let us write S by what is time? This is t1 plus t2 plus t3. This is equal to S by, time is converted in terms of displacement S here. Time is converted in terms of displacement S here, because we have to remove this S1. Both S and time, both are assumed quantities. No, we have assumed. Time is also not given to us. S symbol is also not given to us. Only the given value is v0 here. So v0 should be retained while solving problems and remaining should be removed. We use them in the equations and we remove them. See, we used them in equation. Now we have to remove this S, as well as we have to remove this t1, t2, t3, because they are assumed quantities, they are not given quantities. We should see that we get v0 in this equation here. So how? So what is t1? Time equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. So here time equal to distance by speed. T1 equal to S by 4 v0 plus T2 equal to S by 4 v0 plus T3 equal to S by 12 v0. So this equal to, let us take S by 4 v0 common here. Here this equal to 2S by, let us take this one. Let us take S by 4 v0 common here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is equal to, SS cancels here. So this one goes up, 4 v0 by, so 2 plus 2 by 3. What is 2 plus 1 by 3? 7 by 3. So this is equal to 12 by 7 v0. Simple. So it is a simple problem. So average velocity equal to total displacement by total time. Okay, right. See, next question is, a particle moves from A to B for the first 1/3 time, with speed v1 and the next 2/3 time with the speed v2, find average speed. So in previous problem distances are partitioned, here time is partitioned. See, for first 1/3 time, next 2/3 time. Previous problem displacements. Right now, so let us take given quantities here. What are given? v1, v2, yes, two parts of journey, v1 and v2. In first part of journey it is moving with a constant velocity v1, in second part of journey it is moving with a constant velocity v2. So it is uniform motion. So to find, what we have to find here? Average speed, v average equal to how much? So draw the diagram here. Let us draw the diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C. Two parts of journey. We are making two parts of journey. Here velocity is v1 for this part, here velocity is v2. Find average speed. Okay, so here time fractions are given, no? So let us take t as total time here, t as total time. So this here is this is t by 3 and this is 2 by 3 t, 2/3 of time, no? So now applying the formula. What is the formula for uniform motion? V equal to S by T. Average velocity equal to total displacement by total time, or average speed equal to total distance by total time. So V bar equal to S total by T total. So what is S total here? Total distance S by what is total time? T. So what is the total displacement here? Total displacement distance equal to, let this one, this is S1 and here this is S2. So S1 plus S2 by what is total time? T. No confusion here. What fractions are given, take that one as total value. If time is partitioned in this problem, we have taken T as total time of journey. In the previous case, displacement partitions were given, distance partitions were given. There we took total S and each fraction. So here we are taking total time T and fraction T by 3, 2T by 3. And in the case of displacement, we are taking as S1 and S2 here. Okay, right. So S1 plus S2 by T here. So we should eliminate these two now. S1, S2 are assumed quantities, T is also assumed quantity. We should remove them. We should bring these quantities into equations here. So what is the distance equal to speed into time? This is the V1 into T by 3. The first one, no? First S1 equal to what? Speed into time. So speed is V1, time is T by 3. So V1 into T by 3 plus what is S2 here? Speed V2 into, this is V2 into 2T by 3 by T. Solving this one. So V1 by 3 into T, let us take this one as common. V1 by 3 plus 2V2 by 3 into time is taken common there. Here denominator time cancels here. We are getting V1 by 3 plus V2 by 3, or this is equal to V1 plus 2V2 by 3. So here in the case of uniform motion, the problems are very simple. So there is only one formula here. Average speed equal to total displacement by total time, or V equal to S by T, or S equal to Vt. Okay, in next video let us enter into problems regarding uniform acceleration.